Hello, thank you for joining us during this product training presentation of MobileMark's LTM 501 antenna. In this presentation, we will be discussing the product model number for the LTM 501 as well as a brief description of the antenna's capabilities and availability for purchase. We will also talk about applications that this antenna is designed for and which markets can benefit from its unique features. Next, we will discuss key electrical and mechanical specs that separate the LTM 501 from the other LTM series antennas. In addition, we explore how the LTM 501 antenna stands out among the competition. We will also take a look at industry modems that are compatible with this antenna. Finally, we take a moment to introduce our newest addition to the LTM family. The LTM 501 measures 5.5 inches in diameter and 2.4 inches in height. The standard model number for this antenna is broken down as follows. The first part, such as LTM 501, shows the antenna model. The second part shows the individual connector types. In this case, all 5 of the connectors have SMA plugs, as represented by 3C. The third portion of the nomenclature is abbreviated color of the antenna radome. In this case, WHT stands for white. The fourth part is the overall cable length in inches, in this case 180 inches for this particular antenna, or 15 feet. The LTM series antenna are MIMO antennas, meaning they have multiple in and multiple out capability. This surface-mounted antenna features 5 cables, 2 cables for cell and LTE, 2 cables for Wi-Fi, and 1 cable for GPS. The typical lead time for orders of the LTM 501 antenna is 2 weeks after receipt of the order. The LTM 501 was designed with mobile applications in mind. Public safety vehicles, buses, trucks, and service fleets are a handful of vehicle types that use the LTM 501. System integrators serving vertical markets are customers that would typically purchase this antenna. The LTM 501 can also be used as a fixed site antenna either indoors or outdoors, and it can be manufactured with or without GPS. Additional LTM models are also available with fewer cables. The LTM 401 is a 4-cable variant that offers 2 cellular, 1 Wi-Fi, and 1 GPS connection. The LTM 301 antenna has 3 cables, 2 for cellular and 1 for GPS. There are also models available with broader frequency range, including the LTM 502, the LTM 402, and the LTM 302. These antennas offer broadband coverage for cellular and LTE, covering the 694 to 960 MHz and 1710 to 3700 MHz. The radome color, cable length, and connector choices are all customizable depending on the customer's needs. These choices are then reflected in the configuration of the model number. This section shows a brief overview of electrical and mechanical specifications for the LTM 501. Here you can see the exact frequencies that the cellular, Wi-Fi, and GPS modules operate on. In addition, you can also see the maximum gain for each of these connections. The LTM 501 operates with a maximum power of 10 watts. It is mounted with a through hole that is 7/8 of an inch in diameter. It is ground plane independent, meaning that it does not necessarily require a metal surface. The mounting surface can be up to 1/2 of an inch in thickness to accommodate the 3/4 inch long stud at the base of the antenna. Mag mount versions are available with the MLTM version of these antennas. One of the added benefits of the LTM 501 antenna is that it can replace up to 5 separate antennas. It also has spatial diversity used for MIMO applications and a greater than 20 dB isolation between elements. The relatively small size of the LTM allows it to easily fit into more places. There is also a custom mounting gasket available for installations on the Ford Explorer. The LTM 501 antenna has passed various standards for shock and vibration testing, including military standards. It can also perform well in harsh environments with a dust and water ingress rating of IP67. In addition, it meets Europe's RoHS standards for hazardous substances. MobileMark antennas are made in the USA, so you can expect unparalleled quality and performance from our products. All electrical measurements for our antennas are taken on a 12-inch ground plane to prove the actual performance. The DigiTransport WR44R is one of the many wireless routers that is compatible with the LTM 501 when customized with the configuration shown on this slide. It matches wireless applications for this router that use cellular, Wi-Fi, and GPS. It also has connections that match the individual inputs for these modules. The LTM 500 series antennas are also compatible with the Cradlepoint IBR for applications needing 2 cellular, 2 Wi-Fi, and optional GPS. CalAmp's Vanguard series routers are a good match for the LTM 401 when applications utilize 2 cellular, 1 Wi-Fi, and 1 GPS element. The CalAmp Fusion series is an example where coverage for the router's A connections can be split between 2 antennas, such as the LTM 501 and the LTM 401. Here you can see a breakdown of the individual connections for the LTM 501 and the LTM 401 that match the inputs on the CalAmp Fusion router. Finally, here's a look at the newest addition to the LTM series of antennas, featuring 6 cables. The LTM 600 series contains 6 antenna elements, 2 cellular, 3 Wi-Fi, and 1 GPS. There are also alternative 6-element solutions from Mobilemark that combine multiple antennas. For instance, the same configuration found in the LTM 600 can be achieved using 1 LTM 301 and 1 SMDW. Looking for more information on Mobilemark antennas? Contact our sales team toll-free or direct at the numbers listed here, or send us an email at info@mobilemark.com. Also be sure to visit our website at www.mobilemark.com to view our full product line and stay up to date on Mobilemark news and events. This concludes our product training presentation on the LTM 501 series antenna. Thank you for watching.